She hasn't done anything. Have you done anything?
Have I?
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Court is calling 2021 CR 4510 State versus Ruby Benton Court. Can I have parties announce?
Right from the start, notice how the judge is laser focused on whether the defendant reported. In probation cases, everything hinges on reporting, missing updates, and the whole deal can collapse fast. Keep an eye on how this snowballs.
Galloway for the state.
And are you Ruby Benton Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And for the state?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Balik sila ko good for Miss Benton Court.
All right, and are you the same Ruby Benton Court who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4510 for the offense of credit debit card abuse?
This moment is huge. Deferred adjudication is basically a second chance. No conviction if you finish the terms. But if the state proves you violated probation, that safety net disappears instantly. Watch how the judge tests whether Ruby really understands the stakes.
On July 20th, 2021 for a period of 3 years. Is that you?
Sir.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ruby Benton Court, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February through September 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead for that? True or not true?
True.
State. Are you waiving the remaining allegation?
State will waive and abandon the remaining violation. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to grant the state's motion to revoke probationer, but to sentence under 1244 for 300 days Bexar County Jail with a felony conviction.
That's our understanding.
All right, what has she done on probation? Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
None from the state, Your Honor.
None from the defense.
Here comes a turning point. The defense wants a 1244 reduction, which could downgrade her felony sentence to county time. But judges don't just hand those out. You have to earn it by completing probation tasks. The judge is about to check the record, and it isn't looking good.
All right, what I can do, I can tell y'all, I'm not inclined to grant a sentence under 1244. According to the court summary, she hasn't done anything. Have you done anything?
Have I?
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, they say that you've been missing since February 2022.
And here it is, the judge shutting down the excuse. When probation gets extended, the defendant signs paperwork, attends hearings, and gets explicit warnings. So the moment she said she thought it was only a year, the judge immediately questioned credibility. How would you react if you were the judge hearing that?
Did you report February of 2022?
I don't recall, Your Honor, honestly.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
I reported the first year.
and then you just stopped reporting.
I was under the assumption that it was only for a year, Your Honor.
No, you were not under that assumption. Let me tell you why you were not under that assumption. Because your probation was extended. So that means that you know that,
What do you? No. Okay.
so you haven't done anything.
Yeah, my understanding, she had a family situation. Her dad passed away. And my understanding was during COVID.
All right, I'm not inclined to give you a 1244 because you haven't done anything. It says here, on the court summary, you didn't report for the months of February through September 2022, November through December 2022, January through March 2023. Field officers have made 11 field visits during this time. They made frequent contact with you, telling you you need to report. And they're like, your last report to probation was a virtual office visit.
This is a final blow. After a long list of misreporting dates, no community service, no classes, and disconnected phone numbers, the judge concludes there's been almost zero compliance. When that happens, probation stops being a shield and turns straight into a sentence.
In October. And they said it was an intervention urging you to report. And it says the probation officer has responded with phone calls and texts. And their last time they made a phone call was February 2023, and the recording stated that the phone number was out of service. Did you do any community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Did you complete the theft course?
I registered for it. He was supposed to tell me where to go, but he didn't.
All right, so she hasn't done anything. So I don't think she's appropriate for a 1244.
The first case ends, but the judge immediately pivots to the next defendant. And this transition shows how strict courtroom timing is. Being late isn't just rude. In some courts, it can literally land you in jail. This section gives a rare behind-the-scenes look at how unforgiving docket schedules can be.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, and the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sir.
All right, good luck to you. When you're released from, I'm sorry, I'm going to add the therapeutic community because I know there's a drug issue as well. All right, thank you.
Speak up loudly. Answer yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
All right, so why were you late for court?
Actually, I saw the door closed and people still sitting outside, so I was sitting out there waiting. I didn't know that it was already open.
Oh, no, you've been here before and you know court is on the inside. Court is not outside in the hallway. You understand?
Yes, understood, Your Honor.
Sometimes I have classes that I have to attend. Believe it or not, judges still have CLE to attend. And sometimes there are other judges who sit for me. And guess what? You'll be going to jail right now if there were another judge on this bench. You understand?
Understood.
Because for them, once they call the docket and once they pass your name and you're not present, it doesn't matter if you come in and they haven't finished calling the docket, they would have the deputy take you in the box and take you all the way to the Bexar County Jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today is his plea deadline date.
He wants to set up a trial date.
All right.
Get a trial date from him.
All right. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
I believe no more than 2 days, Judge.
All right. You can have a jury trial or a bench trial. The state, of course, would have to agree to a bench trial, which I'm sure they will. Here's the thing about bench trials. What it means is I hear the evidence, I make a ruling. If the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to find you guilty. If they don't, I'm going to find you not guilty. So bench trial or jury trial?
I'm gonna ask for jury.
Jury trial.
All righty. Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. It's 2 days. Is criminal trial division up this week? Would y'all be available this week?
I believe we have maybe like an 8-case docket tomorrow. I believe we're pretty heavy and set on those cases.
All right, we'll see what happens. We'll put it on the docket tomorrow and see where we are. All right.
Judge, I have a contested sentencing tomorrow in Comal County. My felony.
And how long is that gonna last?
Comal County, it could last all day. We
that's
hurry up
okay.
and wait in Comal County.
That's okay. We'll set it for tomorrow. You'll be here tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then we'll see how long your contested hearing lasts, and we may do jury selection on Wednesday. All right, so you need to be here tomorrow on time at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
I'm sorry.
If I'm unable to make it, do you want me to?
Oh, just call.
email?
Yes, and then that will probably mean that his trial will be on Wednesday instead of Tuesday.
All right, can I go sit down?
Hmm?
I go sit down.
Yes, and once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. And if you all can make sure I have an acknowledgement of discovery.
I could get that right now.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need to go.